Through the highs and through the lows, you're with me wherever I go. When the road is hard to see, I trust you, Lord, to carry me. Shaking, you stand strong. In your love I'll find where I belong. You're my hope, my firm foundation. I find my peace in your salvation. My refuge, my guide.